All right, so we're gonna open the red. Oh, that's not it. Open the red E. All right, and then in the announcements, you can fill out the affiliate form. You just click the link. It'll open the application. Fill out the questions, and then by Saturday, hopefully, I'll be able to get everything sent back to you guys. You'll get 30% of every membership that you refer. Now, while I'm here, I want to teach you guys about something that I did since this is recording. So if everybody's here, if you wouldn't mind just muting for just a moment. I did a covered call on Connie. The way you do covered calls is you have to own 100 shares. So if you back it up here to some of my prior updates, where I talked about shares. Let's see. I don't know where they are. All right, so those are signals. All right, so you have to first own 100 shares. There we go. So you first own 100 shares of the stock, okay? Then what you do is you go to that stock, all right? And then you hit trade options. Once you hit trade options, then what you do is you hit you change it from buy to sell, and then you can choose whatever strike. For me, what I did was I chose to sell the $1 call on CONY to receive a credit of $5.80. So they gave me $580. Now, what happens is, as the price of CONY goes down, the value of this covered call goes up. Okay? So I'm getting paid, but I'm having to use 100 shares as collateral to receive this money. Okay? Now, because I own 100 shares of this high dividend yield ETF, I'm also going to receive dividends every month. What a solid strategy. Now, to get out of this, I have to go and buy the call back. Okay? So I have to buy it back to get out. And then I still will own my 100 shares and also still collect the dividends. But truthfully, so you know my strategy on this, I don't care about the shares. Give me my dividends. I'm going to keep this little premium. And then it can just go to La La Land for all I care, because, well, I mean, Coinbase is going to do well, but the problem that I have with Connie is that they sell a call. No, they have a call and they have a put that's part of the ETF. And it's extremely annoying because, you know, if the price goes up on Coinbase, Connie doesn't go up with the price. But if it goes down, Connie drops. It drops hard. At one point, Connie was like $12, $13. But even when Coinbase started pushing up like that, which is why I bought the 100 shares in the first place, Connie didn't even move like that. It moved in like pennies. So bump that. Give me my dividends, and I'll take this credit on this cover call. But I just wanted to share that strategy with you guys, but also encourage you, sign up for the affiliate program before Saturday, because I'm probably only going to be able to add them maybe once every week or once every 2 weeks. So get locked in with that when you can.